everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain the mode of the given data in two methods. One is by using ungrouped data and the other one is grouped data. We will see what is actually group, what is actually mod. Mod. If you look at the mod, the most repeating value of the observations is called mod. For example, value of the given observations is called mod. For example, the question is like this. Find the mode of the given data. Find the mode of the given data. For example, 5, 3, 6, 9, 3, 2, 1, 3. These are the given data observations 5, 3, 6, 9, 3, 2, 1 and 3. So in this, by seeing these all observations, you can understand what is the most repeating value. That is frequently repeating value. So if you can write that is nothing but mod equal to, so which one is the most repeating value here? So 3 is a repeating value. So therefore mod equal to 3. This is the mode of ungrouped data. This is the mode of ungrouped data. And one more thing is there, that is mode of grouped data. Mode of grouped data. Mode of a grouped data is given by mod equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. And the question he'll ask like this. Write a formula for mode of a grouped data and explain the terms in it. Whenever the question arises like this, you are going to write the formula and you should explain the terms in it. What is L? What is F1? What is F0? What is 2F1? What is F2? And what is H? We will see what are that. Here L is equals to lower boundary of model class. Lower boundary of model class. And H is equals to size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. And F1 is equals to frequency of the model class. And F0 is equals to frequency of the class preceding to the model class. Of the model class. And F2 is equals to frequency of the class succeeding of model class. So this is the formula for mode of a grouped data and the explanation of each and every term in the given formula. If you write this, you will get 2 marks compulsory. So this is only 2 marks question for mode. And also yesterday I have explained that median of a grouped data. Median of a grouped data. Write the formula for median of a grouped data and explain the terms in it. Compulsory, out of these 3, he will ask one question for 2 marks question. We'll see that 4 marks question. 14.3, fourth problem, he has given this question like this. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So he has given the length in millimeter and number of leaves. So he is asking the question, find the median length of the leaves. Find the median length of the leaves. So the question he has given that whatever maybe he has given, the first column that I am taking as a class interval, and the second one I am considering as a frequency. And so you are getting only two columns in a mod, and the classes are so 1182, 126 and 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180. So these are the class intervals, and the frequencies he has given that 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. That means, so this question belongs to median, and I am explaining the problem based on a mod. Mod of a group data. And in these two columns, what is F1, what is F0, what is H, what is L, that you are going to represent here. So in this, look at the second column. What is the second column? 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. These are the frequency. And if you observe clearly, what is the highest to frequency? That is nothing but highest to frequency you are getting as a 12. That I am considering as F1. And F0 is the preceding frequency of the model class, and F2 is succeeding value of the model class. And wherever you are getting F1, beside that class intervals only you are getting as a L value. And before, if you observe the class intervals, see that the class intervals are 118 to 126 and 127 to 130. Here, if you observe this class interval, the upper boundary values are not repeating to the next class interval. So in that case, class intervals are of two types. One is inclusive classes and the other one is exclusive classes. So if the upper boundary is not repeating to the next class interval, that classes are called inclusive classes. Suppose if the class upper boundary is repeating to the next class interval of the lower boundary, such type of classes you are calling as exclusive classes. So by seeing these classes, you can understand these type of classes are inclusive classes. So at that time, I can consider as L is equals to, for inclusive classes, you are going to subtract 0.5 from lower boundary and you should add 0.5 to the upper boundary. So here L value you got 145. So I am subtracting, by subtracting 0.5 from this, you are getting as 144.5. 144.5. And here F1 is equals to 12 and F2 is equals to 5, F0 equals to 9 and H is equals to, so this is a inclusive classes. You can subtract 126 to 118, that is nothing but 8, and add plus 1, so you are getting H is equals to 9. 126 minus 118, you are getting 8, while the classes is inclusive, so that you are going to add 1 to that class interval. So you got H is equals to 9. At the same time, F1 you got, F2 you got, F0 you got, and you want 2F1. 2F1 is equals to 2 into F1 value is 12, that is nothing but 24. 2F1 is equals to 24. Now you can write down the formula. Mod equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You know that. What is L value here? 144.5. 144.5 plus open bracket F1 is equals to 12 minus F0 9 by 2F1 value is 24 minus F0 value is 9 minus F2 value is 5 into H value, already we know that H is equals to 9. Now 144.5 plus 12 minus 9, 3 by 24, because here you are getting a two same signs, add and keep the same sign, minus 14, because 9 plus 5 14 into 9, that is nothing but 144.5 plus 3 by 24 minus 14, 10 into 9. By simplifying this, you are getting this. Mod equals to 144. If you have any cancellations, you can do more. So here in this no cancellations, so I'm multiplying 3 9s are 27 by 10. Therefore mod equals to 144.5 equals 144 plus 144.5 plus 27 by 10 is nothing but 2.7. So that is nothing but, by adding this 144.5 plus 2.7, which is nothing but 12, 1 carrying 6 plus 7, 1, 4, 1, 147.2. So therefore mod equals to 147.2. This is the mode of the given data. So if you look at the table, so highest frequency is 12 and the class interval is 145 to 153. Always the mod and the median must satisfy in between this class only. In between, that means 145 to 153, the class, the mod of the given data must be satisfied here.